Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and performing the first fix. Sign into the Windows account that has the issue, then make sure internet and system time are accurate because store updates depend on those. Once done, open Settings, go to Apps, find Microsoft Store and choose Advanced Options. From here, you'll click Repair. If repair fails, use Reset. These steps clear cached data and re-register the app so the update process can proceed cleanly. Next, run deeper fixes to resolve stubborn update errors. First, run WS Reset. EXE, this clears the store cache and often fixes update stalls. If that doesn't work, open an elevated PowerShell and re-register the store package. This repairs app registration issues that block updates. Make sure Windows Update has no pending restarts because system-level updates can lock store components. After each command, restart the PC. These steps rebuild connections and replace corrupted metadata so an update can complete successfully. Finally, complete the process and verify the fix. Restart your PC, open Microsoft Store and try check for updates. If the app updates, you're done. If it still fails, temporarily disable VPN or third-party firewalls because they can block store connections. Make sure to re-enable them afterward. As a last resort, create a new Windows user profile to see if the problem is profile-specific. If that resolves it, migrate your data. One quick tip: keep a note of error codes. They help pinpoint remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.